Hey guys, we're here in the sugar bush. Me and little fella John. Say hi. I'll show you around, and we're trying a new system of tap line here. It's going to maybe change the world.
I wish I didn't sink like you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What?
You okay?
Yeah. I was. Why are you going that way? I lit the car.
Trying something new, doing tap lines. Seeming we're doing something that's never been done before. With 5/16 on gravity fed, seems no one wants to do it or has any information on it. Most people have to do 3/16 gravity. But I'll kind of walk you around and show you what's going on.
Daddy, let's follow this trail.
So that's sap running down. That's gas from the trees there. We have 75 taps on this one line, and it drops about 75 feet. So I'll go for a little walk up the hill and you can follow along. Because there's sap that comes out of the tree. And then you boil it down and you make maple syrup.
Oh, to eat it?
To eat it on our pancakes.
Oh, for eat it into your belly?
Into our bellies. That was my neighbor that drove by. He's doing 3/16. Today's a fairly poor day, but
The letter's going down.
it's doing pretty good.
Look at the letter's going up.
Yeah. Be interesting to see this one. It's got actually a good day running. It's just above freezing and seems to be working. And people said it can't be done. Turns out it can be. That's so cool. That's so much easier than carrying buckets.
What you guys got up here?
So it works basically just like a siphon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it works just like a siphon, eh, bud? The weight of the sap is pulling on the vacuum, like it's sealed on the other end, so the weight of the sap is pulling on it. And what's being running down is what's coming out of the tree. Angle of the bubble, how it slopes down. That's so neat.
That one looks like a shirt.
All right. It's sucking on it like a straw when you drink pop.
Yeah.
So it's sucking out of the tree a little bit.
And they pop into that.
Yeah, it makes maple pop.
Drink it and eat it.
Do you like maple pop?
Yeah. I do. I do, Dad.
So this isn't gravity fed, it's gravity suction. There's a big difference. Oh.
That water,
It's sap.
that maple syrup.
That's what we boil down and make maple syrup. That's what we're collecting. That's what's in these lines.
You do.
That's what's coming out of the tree. Yeah, it's coming out of the maple tree. Down the line. Into the tunnel, into the big hose. And down the hill to the barrel.
Going?
We're going to go look at some pails on some trees. Okay?
Look,
Found a pail? What's in it? Not very much.
Where?
A little bit. Maybe we'll have more tomorrow. Want to look at another pail?
falling up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's find another hill.
How about those ones over there?
I think that will be a plan.
Think that'll be a plan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That ends today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the walk up the mountain, seeing nature, seeing innovation,
And we're chilly.
and we're chilly. So bye for now. Say bye.